What'd you get? Did you get a present from Daddy? Does it say Allison on it? Yeah? Well, let's open it up and see what it is. Huh? Let's open it up. What do you think it is? Huh? You think it's a pony? Huh? What do you think it is? Oh, you're so excited. Look at those little feet wiggling. What do you think this is? Huh? Oh, let's see, let's see. Let's see. Here. What's in there? What's in there? You got plastic bubbles. Wow! What else is in there? Keep digging. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is that, baby girl? Is that a ball? Huh? Ooh, which one do you like best? Do you like the green one the best? Oh, say thank you, Daddy. Say thanks, Dada. I love you. Oh, you're so into your little new present.